Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Balbo Beard Co. Pineapple Cubes Beard Oil. Now please do excuse me, I've got a sweet in my mouth, but it's not because I'm a sugar addict. I promise you it's for the case of research, and I'm a sugar addict. Now then, available from balbobeardco.co.uk, the 30ml oil will cost you $9.99. And it is part of the Retro Sweets beard oils range. It has a base of grapeseed, jojoba and argan oil, and it's left my beard feeling really nice and soft and very good. Please do excuse me, I know I sound out of breath. I haven't been running around, I promise you that is a rough day. A lovely beard oil indeed. So why has he got a sweet in his mouth? Well, this one is the Pineapple Cubes, as I said, the scent, and I opened it up, had a smell, and I was like, I know that scent, but I don't think it's Pineapple Cubes. And I turned to Mrs. Richardson, I said, what do you think? And again she was like, oh, I know that. And so going through many family members and people, we don't believe it's Pineapple Cubes for us. For us, it is Pear Drops. It is almost spot on for the taste of Pear Drops. And I was just then sucking on a pear drop, as I said, for research. And indeed, for me, it really, really is Pear Drops. So there lies a bit of a dilemma. This is a Pineapple Cubes beard oil. So if I'm scoring on the fact that, oh, it's Pineapple Cubes, I'm going to have to knock that down a bit, because I personally, and those around me and others, have said, no, no, no. But if it said Pear Drops, I would slam a Golden Beard Award up there. I would, because it is so good. So you can see my dilemma. So what I've got to do, I think it's only fair, is I give this a 95 out of 100. As I say, if it was Pear Drops, it would be a 100 and a Golden Beard Award. Cracking oils. Balbo Beard Co. is one of my favourite brands. I've got 7 that I've awarded the Golden Beard Award as a brand as a whole for consistently producing amazing beard care products, high quality, all cosmetic product safety reports on all of the products, great customer service, delivery, it's the whole package. Only 7 of them on Balbo are one. If you haven't tried Balbo, I really, really do urge you to try, because they are really, really good. I'm not just saying that. You know, I know none of these brand owners at all, but I've never met face to face with any of them. Yes, sure, I've got to know some of them through chatting, but, you know, I've got no affiliation with anyone. And so when I tell you go and try a brand, I'm telling you because it's so, so damn good. And there you go, that is the end of that. I can pop my pear drop back in my mouth. Research. Please don't forget to, pops in a moustache hair with it, and we all know that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and I will see you next time. Take care. Research. And someone come out with a kebab flavoured oil. It won't be good, but I'll enjoy the research.